Now we are at the back of 30 by 30 metal construction flat acoustic wall. Behind the flat acoustic wall there is 150 millimeters gap between the back of this structure and the concrete wall. There will be sound insulation material, plasterboard, plywood, and another sound insulation pad, and then plasterboard between this frame and the concrete wall. Sound insulated wall assembly. You have to fix these brackets to the wall. We already sent 250 of brackets to the side. You have to fix them according to the project. They are going to be fit a position like this. If you follow the drawing of these 30 by 30 metal construction, they are going to be fit like just like this position, and the length of these brackets allows you to put this frame a little bit front or back, and while you fixing these brackets to the wall, you have to weld them to the sides and front. These 12 millimeter backing material baseboard is going to be on the frame, but at side you have to take it off, and then after the welding procedure you have to put them back to the frame, and then you are going to start the installation of the acoustical decorative panels. This is very important point, and while you following the drawings, you can fix these brackets to the wall by steel dowels, and if you fix them 1 centimeters or 5 millimeters above the metal construction, you can easily adjust the brackets way to touch the metal construction. It helps you to adjust the connection between concrete and the acoustical metal frame.